Product review number 1.
E-Tech City Camping Lantern. This very versatile and stylish E-Tech City Camping Lantern is a good choice for emergency lighting, for around the house or to provide ambient light in your tent or around the picnic table. Each lantern has 30 individual energy-saving low-powered LED bulbs that provide 360 degrees lighting for up to 12 hours. The light generates full brightness for 8 hours. The brightness will dim to an energy-saving mode to provide longer-lasting illumination for up to 4 hours. The E-Tech City Lantern comes with 12 AA standard batteries and a 10-year warranty cover. For longer battery life, invest in some Energizer lithium-ion batteries. Pros: very good value for money. High functionality. Very bright white light. Omnidirectional lighting. Provides up to 12 hours of illumination. Durable construction. Good water resistance. Lightweight and compact. Foldable handle. Energy saving mode. 10-year warranty. Cons: batteries run out of power quickly. Not ideal for reading or heavy-duty lighting needs.
Product review number 2.
Malumi LED Camping Lantern Flashlights. With an ultra-bright light, strong construction, and a range of attractive colors, the battery-powered Malumi LED Camping Lantern Flashlights are an excellent choice. Whether you are camping or need a stylish lighting option for a garden party, or some lighting for emergency situations, the Malumi lantern contains 146 lumens that provide all around 360 degrees illumination. A highly functional lantern, the Malumi light has a sturdy handle so you can carry it around or hang it from a tree branch. The level of light can be controlled by just adjusting the lantern's height. With 2 devices in one, the portable lantern is designed to pack away easily as it collapses into a compact unit that can fit into your camping gear, and you can also use it as a flashlight. Pros: great value for money. Very bright light. Durable. Water resistant. Attractive colors. Compact and collapsible design. Adjustable illumination. Versatile. Ideal for camping and traveling. Cons: light is too powerful for ambient light. Not waterproof. Color may not be as bright as the advertised image.
Product review number 3.
TANSOREN Solar USB Rechargeable LED Camping Lantern Flashlight. The TANSOREN Solar USB Rechargeable LED Camping Lantern Flashlight offers you lots of lighting functionality around the campsite, while you are fishing, or during a power outage at home. This lantern gives you 3 power options. Its solar panel on top of the unit absorbs power from the sun to generate a super bright light. There is a built-in rechargeable battery that can be charged via a power cord. On overcast days, you can use 3 AA batteries. It even has a USB port for charging Android devices, but you cannot charge Apple devices. The TANSOREN Lantern 4-pack comes with 4 S-hooks, and a DC charging cable. It does not come with the AA batteries, but they can be purchased from any shopping center. Pros: great value for money. Good bright light. Lightweight and compact. 3 power options: solar power, built-in rechargeable battery, and also regular AA batteries. Smart power saving design. Water and impact resistant. Bright red color. Cons: light is not bright enough for a large area. Not fully waterproof.
Product review number 4.
Supernova Halo Extreme Rechargeable LED Camping and Emergency Lantern. If you are about to embark on a backpacking trip around the world or just want a lightweight lantern for your next camping trip, then the Supernova Halo Extreme Rechargeable LED Camping and Emergency Lantern is destined to be your new lighting buddy. It may be one of the smallest LED lanterns on the market, but it is one of the most powerful. Good things come in small packages, which sums up this compact and super bright lantern that is tagged as being 300% brighter than the top-selling lanterns. It is also the winner of the 2015 Best Scouting Gear gift. Whether you give it as a gift to your kids or a friend or use it yourself, you will not be disappointed. Pro: perfect for hiking, camping, and also everyday use. Very affordable. Multi-purpose. Very good battery life. Super bright. 5 lighting settings. Compact and lightweight. Magnetic base. Retractable hook. Cons. Handle is not very durable. Not ideal for heavy-duty lighting purposes.
Product review number 5.
Subooz Gen 2 Ultimate LED Rechargeable Tent Light. If you are planning to head out into the wilderness or just need extra light for your patio, then snap up this super-powered versatile Subooz Gen LED camping lantern. This innovative lantern features an improved design, a superior weatherproof ABS material casing that can handle tough outdoor conditions and extreme weather, and the frosting on the plastic cover gives you a nice soft light. So you do not have to worry about being blinded by a harsh light. Pros: super bright light, high quality design, 3 lighting modes, adjustable hook, frosted cover, compact rechargeable batteries, multifunctional, 5-year warranty, very good customer service. Cons: not ideal for lighting up a large area, smaller than advertised, battery runs out of power quickly.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.